Friends, good morning everybody. On behalf of Bokaro Garden, today I will demonstrate how to ripe the chiku fruits. Friends, chiku is also called sapota. So, in order to organically ripe it in your house itself, we will discuss here. Now things will be required: chiku, some dry leaves of tree, a banana and a onion, and one cartoon. Cartoon will be filled with dry leaves, dry tree leaves, like this. Only a small layer of leaves will be put in the bottom of the cartoon. Take a piece of paper and cover the leaves like this. Now we will put the chiku fruits like this. Now we will take a ripe banana, because banana when ripe it releases ethylene gas. So this ethylene gas will facilitate the ripening of the sapota or chiku fruit. The banana has been wrapped in a paper and that is placed in between the chiku fruits. Same help is given by the onion. So we will wrap one onion in the paper and put inside the cartoon and in between the sapotas. This combination is to be again covered with the dry leaves like this. After covering the entire thing with the dry leaves, again a second cover of the paper, newspaper will be done. The cartoon will be covered, will be closed, and it will be wrapped up by now the cartoon has been covered, closed, and it will be wrapped with a wire. Now we will place this cartoon for 3 to 4 days in a warm place, maybe in a garage or anywhere where the heat is more. Friends, so the chiku is now ready for eating. See, this has become soft, and this is the identification of its ripening. Now we will cut it like this. See, now it is ready for taking. So friends, now see, the chiku is ready for eating. Enjoy it, and we will meet again in the next video. Thank you very much. Please subscribe if not subscribed yet, and like and subscribe the video.